Hello, welcome to Lakshmi Ma'am Max classes. Now 11th standard mathematics March 2019 question paper. 27th question. Define a continuous function on the closed interval a comma b. Solution. Answer. Definition. A function f from the closed interval a comma b to the real number r is said to be continuous if it in the closed interval a comma b. If it is continuous in the open interval a comma b and limit extends to a plus f of x is equal to f of a and limit extends to b minus f of x equal to f of b. That is, for continuous function, the function should satisfy the three conditions. A function said to be continuous in the closed interval if it is continuous in the open interval a comma b and limit extended to a plus f of x equal to f of a and limit extend to b minus f of x equal to f of b. That is, interval means consider the number line. This is a, this is b. If the points in between a and b and if the function include both a and b and between the points a and b, then it is said to be closed interval. If the function does not contain a and b and contain the points between a and b, this set is said to be open interval. I think you can understand the difference between the closed interval and open interval. In closed interval, both a and b included, and in the open interval, a and b not included. The limit extend to a plus. The points from a plus up to b minus. F of x equal to f of a in the a plus interval and a limit extend to b minus. B minus means the points within the b. From a to b, the point from a onwards called a plus and points from b minus b to a. B minus means within b. Limit extend to b minus f of x equal to f of b. If it satisfies the three conditions, that is the function should be continuous in the open interval and the limit extend to a plus f of x equal to f of a and limit extend to b minus f of x equal to f of b. Then this function is said to be continuous in the closed interval a comma b. Okay, we shall move to the next question, 28th. Consider the function f of x is equal to root of x. X is greater than or equal to 0. Does limit extend to 0 f of x exists? That means we have to prove that here if limit extend to 0 root of x exist or does not exist. That is solution. Limit extend to 0 plus root x. Draw the number line. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. Root x for x greater than or equal to 0, root x function shall be like this. Therefore, 0 plus for x extends to 0 plus root x equal to 0 and extend to 0 minus root x does not exist since x value is positive. Therefore, root x does not exist in the 0 minus interval. Therefore, this function does not exist. Next, 29th question. An integer is chosen at random from the first 10 positive integers. Find the probability that it is a multiple of 3. That is, an integer is chosen from the first 10 positive integers. First 10 positive integers is the sample space. Total number of set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That number of s is equal to 10. N of s is equal to 10. And a equal to, we choose an integer from the 10 positive integers, that is the multiple of 3. Here the multiple of 3 is 3, 6 and 9. Therefore, 3 elements present in A. Therefore, n of A equal to 3. P of A, probability of choosing the element A is P of A equal to n of A by n of S. N of A equal to 3, n of S is equal to 10. Therefore, this is the answer. 3 by 10 is the answer. Okay, I think you can understand my class. Give a like if you like this class. And any doubt, ask in comment. Okay, thank you for watching my class.